Welcome to the homepage of the 2021 STAR LRP application. After successfully logging in as an application user, you will be redirected to the welcome page first. Here you will find a brief overview of the program, as well as key information regarding customer support should you run into any issues throughout the completion of the application process. You will additionally find helpful information such as a link to the application and program guidance, as well as the cycle dates and reminders, your application status, and an ID. If you wish to read ahead and determine your application considerations before starting the application to see if you qualify or are eligible, you may see a brief overview here under the application overview section. This section, again, will link out to supplemental information and materials such as the APG or Application and Program Guidance, the U.S. Department of Education's Federal Student Aid website to aid you with loan information requirements, as well as some basic guidelines for document upload and certification. At the bottom of the section, you will find a document overview, which acquires all of the documents for the successful submission of an eligible STAR LRP application. These documents, according to information you input into the actual application fields, will determine whether or not each is required, and if so, what is required in order to move forward with successful fulfillment of a documentation requirement to determine your eligibility for a STAR LRP award. When you've reviewed this information and would like to formally start your application, you may click the Start Application button at the bottom of the screen to proceed.